I will also take this opportunity with great humility and gratitude to express my deepest appreciation to His Excellency President William Samoei Ruto and Right Honorable Raila Amolo Odinga for nominating me to the position of Principal Secretary, National Government Coordination. I don't take this for granted. I know there are many qualified for the position. However, they have entrusted me with this responsibility, and a lot is expected from our side. That said, with good coordination, we will ensure that efficiency improves at every level of the government. With good coordination, we will reduce duplication. And with good coordination, I have no doubt that service delivery in this country will improve. And by extension, we will have sustainable development in this country. I know the task before us is big. I want to request you to pray for us that we will do everything possible to see to it that we serve every part of this country. Bila shaka mimi si mgeni hapa. Nilikuwa hapa juzi with the CS Treasury, na leo ndugu yangu Ali aliponiambia wacha tuende huko Garsen, watu wangu wa kuombee ili uweze kuendelea tena mbele, nilisema lazima nirudi hapo Garsen kwa mandugu zangu, watu waombee ili tuweze kuendelea pamoja. Hapa ni nyumbani kwangu. I'm at home, and I have no doubt that this is one of the area that requires consideration, because in terms of development, iko nyuma. I will raise up the issue with my colleagues and see to it that the necessary consideration is accorded. Kwa hayo machache, nawaombea kila la kheri, na tunaomba Mungu akubali Ramadhan yetu na tuwezi kuisha mzuri. Afya njema, maisha marefu. Asanteni, Mungu awabariki, na bado tunasema Rabbana taqabbal minna innaka antas samiul alim wa tub alaina innaka antat tawwabur rahim. Wacha tuweze kugawanya hii